Hi there, Tammy with Stampin' Savvy. Thanks for joining me. Today is the second part of our showcase this week on treat holders. Today I have another really fun, quick and simple, easy treat holder to make. And again, with Easter right around the corner, I've got this cute little guy right here that I have set up for one of my grandkids. But I also wanted to show you the versatility of this. This one I made that would be just perfect for a birthday party favor. Fill that with little treats for a girl's birthday party. I thought that would be really fun. This one uses the Picture Perfect Designer Series paper, and I'll show you. It's really fun. On one side you've got photographic images of all things related to birthdays, just really fun images. That's the one I used. But then on the back side, it's got all these really fun coordinating patterns. So lots of bright colors. Comes 48 to a pack, so you could get 48 treat holders out of this. Obviously, probably wouldn't need that many, but you could do all kinds of fun things related to birthdays. Cute. This one I set up as a gift. I thought this would be really fun to put a gift inside. A pair of earrings, friends' favorite treats, maybe some tea bags, just, you know, something fun and different way to package it. And this one's set up with the birthday mini binder clips that are part of the Picture Perfect suite. So this one is set up so that you can open it and even reuse it if you wanted to, instead of sealing it. This one features the Naturally Eclectic Designer Series paper. Really, again, fun spring patterns. Double-sided, kind of a really pretty watercolor wash look there, but lots of different possibilities for this as well. And then I used for the stamping for that beautiful friend. This is the Celebration Set Beautiful Peacock. Again, celebration continues until March 31st. These are free rewards that you earn with every $50 that you spend. So I used the beautiful friend and a few of the flower images, and then the little leaf here just to go off of the edge. And then behind it, I've got the metallic foil doilies. I really like these because they come gold and silver to the pack, and they come in 2 sizes. So you get 6 of each, you get 24 to a packet. And then just as a little accent here, I used another celebration item. This is the shimmer ribbon that comes in Bermuda Bay, Calypso Coral, and the Basic Gray. All 3 of these come as one reward, which it shimmers. It's really, really pretty, kind of a glittery effect. So again, that's a freebie with $50 that you purchase. And then this last one here, I thought would make a really pretty wedding, shower or wedding favor. And this one features the Sweet Soiree Designer Series paper. I shared this one on Monday. It's got another one of the metallic foil doilies. And then this was just cut from the paper, but they also have in the Occasions catalog, it's on page 13, there's the paper here, absolutely beautiful gold foiling, silver foiling on this one, but they have an embellishment kit that you just punch out these images here, and then it comes with these cute little tassels and clothespins, some trim, some washi tape. This would be great if you were looking to do wedding favors or wedding shower favors. That would make it just really easy and simple to do. So let me show you how to make this, because these are just really simple and easy to make. So you could do a lot of these with the 12 by 12 papers or the 6 by 6. So I have this one cut at 4 by 4. We're going to make this small mini size right here because my little grandkiddos are small, so I actually don't want to put too many goodies inside for them. These 3 sizes here were made with 6x6 paper to start with. So this is what I want to be the outside of the treat holder. So I'm going to flip it over, and you're going to take a fast fuse or the tear and tape, whichever one you prefer. Unfortunately, fast fuse is being discontinued at the end of this Stampin' Up! Year, so May 31st. If you like this as much as I do, stock up on your refills. They don't have the actual cartridges in stock at this time, but the refills are still there, so you can get these until May 31st or until they sell out. So what you want to do is just run your fast fuse, get it started here. Run your fast fuse along 3 edges. Now it's 3 edges if you want to seal both ends like I've done here. Now on this one here where I left it open so that you could get in and out of it, you would only put adhesive on 2 sides. Okay, so 1 and 2. But in this case I've gone ahead and I've done 3. So I've got adhesive on these 3 sides here. This side here is going to go underneath on this one. And what we're doing is you're just creating a tube. Okay? So we're going to press that in place. So I've got adhesive on this end still, and I've got adhesive on this end still. Okay, so what we're going to do, in this case, we're creating a little carrot. So what I want to show you, I took a piece of garden green scrap cardstock. It's about 2 inches long by about 1 3/4 inch wide. And all I've done is I have taken the scissors and I've just, like every 1/16 of an inch or so, just cut down to create kind of this fringe effect. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to, here's the seam here, we're going to pinch that open, and we're going to put this in, which it's a little bit wide. We're going to go ahead and cut that off. Okay, so again, seams in the center. We're going to insert this in here, push it down just a little bit, and we've got adhesive on both sides of this. So we are going to just press that together. Kind of pinch the end and press that together. Okay? So now there is your treat tube. So now is when you want to fill it. So I have this big Costco sized jelly beans. And when I do my treat holders, I usually leave them empty for you to see. There's a reason for that. That's because if I get treats for them, I want to taste test. And it's not a good thing. These have been sitting on my desk, and my grandkids and my husband have been coming in and helping themselves do it, as well as me. So, that's why you don't see them usually filled with anything. Okay, so now I want you to see it's pinched at this end, and on this end, we're pinching it in the opposite direction. Okay, so now there's the seam right there. We're just going to pinch it together like that. Okay? So that is what it looks like in the end. It is as simple as that. And if any of you have one of these paper crimpers still around, sorry about that. If any of you crafters that have been around for a long time recognize this as a paper crimper. And I'm going to see if I can get this fed through here. There we go. I'm going to put this together and we're just going to crimp this back. Now you do not have to do this. It's just kind of an effect. And I kind of got some of the grass, but that's okay. Now we're going to take it and we'll just run it through on the other end here. Just want to go back for a few. Whoops. Okay. Now what you can do is take your take your green fringe, and you can take your bone folder and you just kind of want to curl the ends. So what we'll do is we'll curl some this way, we'll curl some that way, and now it looks like the carrot top. And you've got a cute little Easter holder to give away with not too many jelly beans. I hope you've enjoyed this, and you come back on Friday. I've got one more to showcase and share with you on Friday. All of the supplies that I have used today are available through my online store at stampinsavvy.com. So until then, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.